out here April 23rd and 24th, Willow Springs Motorsports Complex. We are having a vintage bike show today and a huge motorcycle swap meet.
Guys, Randy Rage with Russ Brown Motorcycle Attorneys here. I'm out here at Willow Springs Raceway for Brady Walker's Classic Track Day.
What year is this, sir? What year is this, sir?
2020?
No, 2021.
2021. Yeah, I don't know. I got it at Laguna. They sold it to me. They don't run the World Superbike there anymore.
To race a motorcycle.
1976 BMW.
Well, originally it's an Italjet frame, but has been modified, stuff's been extended, different mounting studies for the shocks were welded on there. The tank and tail were hand-laid by my father in 1973. Motor is a Minerali P6 with the racing straight cut gears in it. He even made the rear sets himself, cut out of a sheet of aluminum. Well, this is actually the first time that we've seen it in 40 years.
Wow.
My father sold it to move to America in 81 or 82 and hadn't seen it since. And somehow we tracked down the current owner of it, convinced him to sell it back to us. There it is.
That's awesome.
They're actually set up with their little switch and information.
Bring it over here.
It's all about Caroline, you know.
Yes.
New NJK AirTech Von Zipper sponsored Boyko Racing, Woodcraft, Simon's Machinery, Ray's Drive-In, home of the Puppy Taco. New leather suit. You can find me by seeing Happy Dave on the back. And come on out and have some fun.
just had one. We had one class, so that's fine. All right, so third place goes to Paul Piscar. I want to say that these are
All right.
the guys over at Dunlop that had the Dunlop set up over there from Eyes Up Motorsports, and along with Big Ed Guzman, who was racing the RC8. They paid for all these trophies and gave me a couple bucks on it. Support them when they're out there. If you see them, support them and thank them. Second place goes to my favorite CB 404 here, Christopher McAvoy. Congratulations. And I was going to kill her if she didn't win this race, but she did. Caroline won it. That was awesome. Good race. Good race. Good race. Yeah, come on.